Hello my friends, welcome to another tutorial of my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful and very simple baby blanket pattern. This pattern is made by only 2 rows and you can use that for any project. If you're ready, let's get started. Start the work with a slip knot and then make chains in a multiple of 4 plus 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and repeat these groups of 4 chains until reach the desired width for the pattern, and at the end add 3 chains. I made 31 chains, and now start row 1, skip the first chain and make 1 single crochet into second chain. Then go to next chain and make 1 single crochet into that. 1 single crochet into the next, and repeat this work. We have to make 1 single crochet into each of chains until the end of the row. Now I'm at the end of row 1 and make 3 chain as first double crochet of row 2. Turn the work and skip the second stitch here and go to the next and make 1 double crochet. Then make 1 double crochet into next stitch and 1 double crochet into the next. Now after these 3 double crochet, go back and make 1 double crochet into this skipped stitch, yarn over, insert hook into that, and grab the yarn from the back and pull it to front and pull a long loop, then yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Again, skip next stitch and make 1 double crochet into each of next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Go back to skip stitch and make 1 double crochet into that. Insert hook into that. Grab the yarn from the back and pull it to front. Pull a long loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. One more time. Skip next and make 1 double crochet into each of next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Go back to the skip stitch and make 1 double crochet into that. Pull a long loop to cover these 3 double crochets. Then make 1 double crochet. And we have to continue this sequence and skip next stitch and make 1 double crochet into each of next 3 stitches. Then go back and make 1 double crochet into skipped stitch. And continue this work until the end of the row. Now I'm at the end of row 2 and I have 1 stitch left. Make 1 double crochet into that, and row 2 is finished. For start row 3, make a chain and turn the work and make 1 single crochet into each stitch until the end. First make 1 single crochet into this first stitch and make 1 single crochet into each of these 4 stitches of first pattern. Go to next pattern and make 1 single crochet into each stitch of that, and continue this work until the end of the row. At the end of row 3, I have to make 1 single crochet into third chain of beginning chains of previous row. Again, make 3 chain to start row 4 and turn the work and repeat row 2. First skip the second stitch and make 1 double crochet into each of next 3 stitches, and go back to skipped stitch and make 1 double crochet into that, and after that we have to repeat these 2 rows, row 2 and row 3. These 2 rows should be repeated several times until the height of the pattern reach the desired size. I repeated row 2 and row 3, and now you can see the front view of my pattern and the back view of that. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.